Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can record calls automatically. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, if you have an Android device, then for you to record a call, you have to simply go ahead and go to your phone app, and then from this section you'll have to go to the settings of the phone app, and then you have to tap on call recording, and you have to toggle on auto record calls or always record. So now you can simply go ahead, choose record all numbers or numbers not in your contacts, or you can select specific contacts as well. Once you have done that, you are good to go. Now from next time it will simply record the calls. Now when it comes to iOS, Apple strictly limits a third-party access to the default iOS phone app for privacy and security reasons, meaning there is no native automatic call recording available on iPhone. So apart from that, there are some options that you can use for that matter. So for hardware solution, we do have an option or devices like the Plod Note, which you can attach to via MagSafe and use AI to record and transcribe calls directly. It's a device. Another one is a business app. You can simply route calls through cloud-based phone services like OpenPhone or Dialpad. These platforms offer automatic recording and transcription features for both inbound and outbound calls. Now, those are the options, and this is the info. So, hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.